What can I say about Ikea blinds that hasn't been said before? These smart blinds are terrific. I feel for the price, it's worth it to me personally. It's kind of a luxury item, and I was hesitant on getting them, but I just splurged because my layout of my house, I have a window right there, and then I have a desk right up against it. So every time I have to kind of climb over, so it was a little bit of a hassle to do. And I bet there's probably cheaper solutions I could have found, but you know, I'm satisfied with it. It's really like kind of a neat trick. Being able to wake up in the morning and just hit that remote button and then it goes up. These are actually automated. You could set them up to be automated, but I found that the remote, it's simple enough, and usually I want to control when they go up and down. The remote is magnetic, so I put it against my refrigerator. One thing cool about the blinds is that you could adjust them so they stop exactly, as you can tell on the right, the blinds stop right above my air conditioner, and they're pretty exact. Once you kind of mess with it and set it up, then they stop exactly at that point. The material of the blinds it's this kind of thick, pretty good quality. I do kind of wish they had different colors, but the color, it's all right. Overall, I guess I'd say setup is pretty easy, and satisfaction wise, I am pretty satisfied. I've heard some stories about these having some problems, so I'm a little bit, I'll give you an update if something goes bad, but it is nice. It's like a total luxury convenience. First world, you're lucky if you have smart blinds, so I recommend them. And one thing I didn't know is that you need buy another thing to set up the blinds so they work with like a smart home device like Google Home or Alexa. And I was gonna buy it, but once I got it and set it up, the remote I think is fine for me. So if you guys have any questions, I'll be sure to answer. That's it. Thank you.